Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the stunning Corsair iCUE Link 3500X RGB mid-tower ATX case. And let me tell you, this thing is a looker. Clad in a crisp white finish, it immediately grabs your attention with its panoramic tempered glass, offering an unobstructed view of your meticulously crafted build. But the 3500X is more than just a pretty face. Corsair has clearly put a lot of thought into the design, particularly with its support for reverse connection motherboards. This is a game changer for cable management, allowing you to hide those unsightly wires behind the motherboard tray for an incredibly clean and professional look. No more struggling to route cables around components. It's all neatly tucked away. And speaking of clean aesthetics, the iCUE Link ecosystem takes center stage here. The case comes pre-installed with 3 of Corsair's iCUE Link RX 120 RGB fans. These fans not only provide excellent cooling performance, but also offer vibrant and customizable RGB lighting that can be easily synced with other iCUE-compatible components. The single-cable design of the iCUE Link system simplifies the building process and reduces cable clutter even further. The build quality is what you'd expect from Corsair, solid and robust. The steel frame feels sturdy, and the tempered glass panel is thick and durable. The case also offers ample space for components, including high-end graphics cards and large CPU coolers. There are plenty of mounting options for storage devices, and the tool-less design makes installation a breeze. Airflow is also well considered. The front panel is designed for optimal airflow, and the included RX 120 fans do a great job of keeping temperatures in check. The case also supports additional fans and radiators for those who want even more cooling potential. Overall, the Corsair iCUE Link 3500X RGB is a fantastic mid-tower case that combines stunning aesthetics with excellent functionality. The support for reverse connection motherboards and the iCUE Link ecosystem make it a joy to build in, and the included RX 120 fans provide both great cooling and vibrant RGB lighting. If you're looking for a case that will showcase your build and style, the 3500X is definitely worth considering. It's a premium case with a premium price tag, but the features and design justify the investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.